Hey guys, welcome back to my reaction. Oops. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction for another reaction video with me today. I'm so happy, guys. Please, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So, a lot of recommendation for the iPop stars out there, and this is another group, Unity on UN1TY on 1T, so Unity, and this is a music video to the song No Mellow. So I hopefully they could give me the same energy they B-Force gave me, but I would never compare. I would not compare this group, but I'm hopefully they give me the same energy because B-Force got me hooked. If YouTube didn't block it. Come on, Apple computer. That reminds me, I need to go to order a $2,000 MacBook. Ugh, what people gotta do. I'm gonna start stripping. Love the colors. Oh, I'm liking the beat already.
Hit it. Hey kamu yang murung itu, kenapa wajah manismu diteguk gitu? Apapun yang buat kamu feeling blue, jangan hanyut, jangan jadi nggak asik.
Oh, how 80s.
Jangan rendahkan dirimu, kita harus take it slow. Sedih hati let it go. Buang sedihmu, nyanyi bersamaku, lupakan semua kata-kata yang selalu bikin kita buang waktu dan merasa.
Kenapa sih nggak ada yang bisa ngertiin gue?
Happymu gede tuh mereka.
Wake up. You're so cute. Oh, that must be fans. No Mellow. So colorful, we're going back to the 90s, 80s, 70s, colorful. Oh! Break that back!
Sosial media, luangkan waktu lebih banyak lihat dunia. Dibilang jelek, santai saja bah, bukan dorang yang bayar kau punya kuota. Santai, diam. Kita harus take it slow.
Ooh, who's that?
Apa yang kau mau, semua ada di depan matamu. Jika kau tak biarkan orang ganggu mimpimu, so wake
I have two screens.
up.
Wake up, wake up. Lena.
Urusan sama kita, ayo bisa lebih kuat kita, let's go, jangan kita rasa melo-melo, sedihmu dan nyanyikan na-na-na-na-na, no mellow, no mellow, angkat wajahmu dan nyanyikan na-na-na-na-na, no mellow, no mellow, masa mudahan sebentar saja dipastikan
No Mellow. No Mellow. No Mellow. This must be with their fans. Oh, hello. Oof. Oh, that deepness in that end. I would take all of them. 18 or older, of course. But I like this group. Unity, UN1TY, No Mellow, Indonesia, iPop, welcome, welcome, welcome. So it's the J-pop, the K-pop, the M-pop, the P-pop, the I-pop. What next? F-pop? F. I don't know. But I like that Indonesia. So far, I'm liking what I'm giving, liking what the fans are giving me from Indonesia. I like that. They're letting me know that M-pop, Philippines and the Malaysians and the J-pop and the Japanese and the K-pop and the Koreans is not the only one who have music. So do we. And I'm here for it. Fight for your iPop. Thank you guys really so much for leaving the links. For everybody else, whatever you want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.